Kurt Hartman here, owner of Pro Fitness Training. This month's Pro Fitness video series, we're going to be discussing the elements of effort. These are important, very key warning signs and signals that your body is going to be giving you during exercise. The first warning signal that your body is going to give off is some form of excess tension. Obviously, if you're lifting a heavy weight and you're pressing through, you're getting a few reps in, reps are going to get a little harder as you go on. Once you start getting a little too hard, you're going to notice some form of excess tension through your body. This is your body's first signal that it's going to give off to you. The second warning signal that your body's going to give off is typically in some form of change in your breathing patterns. Obviously, this could depend upon the type of exercise you're doing. If you're doing some form of burpees, running, sprints, something more aerobic, it's going to get your heart rate going up. You're going to notice your breathing change. You could be losing, air, sucking for wind, getting shortness of breath, or you could be changing your breathing pattern through any type of lift. These first two warning signals are typically interchangeable depending upon the form of exercise you're doing. So if you're doing a weighted lift, you're going to notice the tension first, versus if you're doing like a sprint, you're probably going to notice your wind change first. Your body's third warning sign that's going to go off is some form of change in your alignment during your exercise. This is when you've already ignored the first couple warning signs. They follow in this order. So if you push through that tension, or you're already losing your wind and you're getting really tired, next thing that's going to go is your alignment or your form while you're exercising. So if you're lifting a weight overhead, you don't want to be wobbling all over the place and just barely getting it up there. It's not safe. So it's very important to make sure your alignment is staying proper through your exercise. The fourth warning signal your body's going to give you comes in the form of pain. Obviously, if you've ignored all these other warning signs that your body's been giving you, and your alignment's been bad, you keep pushing, you're going to experience some form of discomfort during this exercise. This is your body really starting to tell you that you need to stop and start paying more attention. The fifth warning sign your body's going to give you is failure. So if you keep pushing through that pain and you've already ignored everything else, your body's going to want to shut down. It's not going to continue to want to press through these exercises. Your body doesn't want you to experience these types of pain, so your body's just going to turn it off and say no more. Failure is a very important thing to avoid. Ultimately, our body gives us these warning signals to prevent damage. This is going to come in the form of an injury to your muscles, tendons, ligaments, joints, and in severe cases, these injuries are permanent. It's extremely important that you work with an experienced trainer who's going to help your body and you recognize when these signals start going off so you can prevent any form of these injuries. Obviously, when you're working out, you never want to get hurt. So if you have any questions or comments on any of these, feel free to contact me at 952-942-7227 or email me at kurt@profitnessmn.com. Thanks.